hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
To make these earrings, you need a thick sheet or a buckram paper. Apply some glue and stick a square-shaped mirror onto it. Let it dry and add the gold chain around it. Let's put this aside until it dries out. Now cut it out. Take a small cardboard and wrap around the silk thread over it for about 200 times. If you want to make a bigger tassel, all you have to do is you need to wrap around more in number. After you've wrapped up, cut out in the center. Also, if you like my content, ensure that you watch my other videos as well. There are plenty of videos and I have made a playlist and you can easily check them out about mirror earrings, paper earrings and few DIY videos and many more. And here I am taking the same color silk thread to tie a knot. Do not forget to apply glue over it so that the threads don't come off easily. Also do cut out at the top so that you can easily insert it into the tassel cap. Now take a pin and a tassel cap. Insert the pin and cut out the extra. Using the plier, twist the end and insert another pin into it. After you're done, make this short using the plier. Apply some glue and put the tassel into it. Let it dry for some time. If you want a shorter tassel, cut out a lot of the thread. Here's a tip for you. To make your tassel look neat and straight, put it over the boiling water for about a minute or two. This will make the thread straight in shape. You can clearly see the difference over here. Now take a pin and insert a hook into it. Let's attach all of them together. After you're done, add another paper over the top of it and press down hardly. You're almost done. Only thing you need to do is cover up the back using the gold colored nail paint. And your pretty tassel mirror earrings are done. They look so simple but very cute. Also, they are very easy to make. You can use different color silk threads to match your different outfits. So do try it out once. I hope you liked watching my video, and if you did, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to never miss any of my updates. Until then, meet you in my next video. Happy crafting!